Hi, it's Kozue. I'm filming this video on December 27th, 2024. I've got Merry Christmas on my ring finger, but of course Christmas is over, so I have Happy New Year on my thumb. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite nail art products I bought this year. Many of the items I'm going to show you might not be available in your neighborhood. Still, I hope you are able to find something similar. If you have a chance to visit Japan, make sure to visit 100 yen stores. Okay, let's get started. Item number 1. Transfer Nail Fall Sheet from CanDo. They released 12 kinds of these this year. I own some of them. Flower patterns, animal patterns, laces, and metallic ones as well. To be honest, as for laces, I prefer stamping to using nail transfer foil. But still, they are good quality. They are 100 yen each. You might be wondering how long they are. Its width is 38 mm and length is 970 mm. I know it's so long, right? It says for gel nail here, but you can use it for regular polish as well. I usually use air dry foil glue. This one is from Shein. You can also use false eyelash glue. Here, I put it in regular polish. I'm so happy to have this elaborate design on my dominant hand so easily. There are about 1,200 CanDo stores in Japan. You might not be able to find all the 12 designs in one CanDo store, but you can try a few CanDo stores, which I sometimes do. Next item is from CanDo too. This is nail foil glue gel. You are supposed to cure it for 3 minutes. Yeah, it's a little bit long. I love this foil glue gel. It's so sticky when it's cured. I hardly ever mess up with this gel. I'm using CanDo's transfer foil sheet here. You can use this foil gel in other ways too. I paint it on a nail tip holder and I use it to make a stone picker too. Please have a look at this video. Item 3. Anti-slip liquid. This is supposed to be used for coat hangers and socks, but I use it for nail art. I totally understand this is not for nail art, so I take my own risks. This item is from Daiso, another 100 yen store in Japan. I use it as foil gel. I try to avoid gel nail on my natural nail because I'm allergic to gel nail. I don't think I get any allergic reactions from this yet, but who knows? You might develop allergies by using it, so I'm not recommending using this to your nails. Anyways, this is how I use. Put a little on my nail and spread it with a brush. It gets transparent when it dries, just like false eyelash glue. I place a foil on it and scratch it. Ta-da! Oh, this is strange. I didn't paint it that much. I guess something sticky was on the silicone mat. This is a shade after. It looks funny. What does it look like to you? Next item is the silicone pen. This is from Daiso too. Silicone pens are available at other 100 yen stores too. But I love this Daiso one. The curve there is perfect. It fits perfectly on the nail curve when I scratch transfer nail foil on my nail. I think I've been talking about only nail foil in this video from the beginning. And I like it because it's really firm and hard. And the other side of the pen is useful too. I use it to clean extra nail polish on my skin. I like this firmness, it's perfect. Next item is Daiso's packing film. Wait a second, packing film? for nail art? Well, I use it to make anime nails. So if you're not into anime nails, it's totally useless, I know. But you can make your own transfer nail foil with this. I made this design with a packing film. Next up is this polish. The brand is Parado. It's called gel top coat, but it's not gel. To be precise, gel-looking top coat. But honestly, it's not really gel-looking. What I love about this top coat is this dries so quickly and it doesn't shrink. Top coat shrinkage is my main concern on regular nail polish. When top coat shrinks on stamped designs, the designs sometimes get kind of like cracks. I hope you understand what I mean. I paint this gel top coat and let it dry completely. After that, I apply sèche-vide. That's how I avoid cracks. It's available at 7-Eleven at around 700 yen. I also love this item. Silicone covers from Daiso. You can use it for gel nail and regular polish, but I've never used it for gel nail. Soak a cotton pad in nail polish remover, put it on the nail, and put the cover on. Wait for a few minutes. There are some ridges on the inside wall of the cover, but I see almost nothing inside. Well, there are pink ones available too, so probably with the pink color you can see the ridges. So I cut it out like a V shape there. Now I can tell which side has ridges easily. I can remove nail polish this easy. Last but not least, silicone fingers. I got them from Temu. I didn't think many people need silicone fingers unless they are nail art content creator or something. But actually one of my viewers was really interested in them. I use them to see how nail tips look like on fingers. The best thing about this silicone finger is that this nail bed is kind of sticky and it holds a nail tip really well. You can kind of like slip a nail tip in it and that's it. It doesn't fall at all. It holds it so well. See? I love it. I do have this plastic-looking practice hand too. It's so hard to put a nail tip on it, and it doesn't hold it at all. I got these silicone fingers kind of like a joke actually, but they are really handy. So, these are the most satisfactory nail art items I got in 2024. I know most of the items are not for every DIYer, but I hope you had fun watching this video and got some new ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy New Year!